Okay, this is just these are my new levels released. They were only released a couple of days ago after they lost tons of fans because of these levels were released in March. I have got some levels hidden underneath me. I did get plays by people that were just playing around with my plant, like just going out like that. You'd have found these levels. If I just go on cool levels, you can see who's framing cool levels. That really does ball the game. So I'm just gonna click there. Unpicks. Basically, unpicks now are the new cool levels. If you get on the unpicks, you're basically now a cool level. So yeah. Actually, it didn't take as long as it did yesterday for it to load. We're just going to play this game on level. That'll be it for this episode for the time being, as I will make episodes every Saturday and Sunday. I'll make one episode, or maybe over time I'll make an episode every day and make 2 episodes every day, and after that maybe like tons. That's only if I get good YouTube viewing, because as you know, I've only basically started up 3 months ago and I've only just got 100 views on certain runs and all that. I hope they will pass, because then you just basically win. You can change the tune. I thought you could change the music. Oh yeah, just wondering why I wasn't moving. I'm gonna work on the top row, because I've basically got all the top row, but then I'm going to leave the number 2, because then it will stop someone. And I get the sat box to pass. So you always leave 2s and kings and some other ones, because then they will pass and then you win, and basic easy game. See, he's having problems, he's having a pass. Okay. I'm making sure I don't open any new bits. The time of gaming became impossible. So. Alright, I'm just going to finish that one off quick as I can. I'm probably going to have to pass. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to have to pass just yet. Let that row finished off. Basically, it looks like I'm gonna have to pass. Come on, the 10 and then a 10. Oh, that's just mean. Oh wait, no, it ain't. I've got to go. There we go. Just luck. I would like a level to be unpicked, but I don't think I'll ever get there. I've won, I could tell I've won, I think. As long as them 2 can't go. Ah. be third. Maybe first. Probably I'm gonna be last. Well, that's how it goes, is it? So, thank you for watching. There'll be episodes with my friends of LITTLEBIGPLANET and some other games. So, that will be soon. Thank you for watching.